back on another vlog. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you and we always smiling. Don't know, say who this? DJ.
How this work?
Yeah, we're going about to roll some ball. I think I did one vlog on that. And somebody was asking you what team you support. I'm sure you see like in the last 2 vlogs I said United, only side. Going over as I said.
Mr. Shensi I perform earlier. No, Mr. Shensi I perform.
As Kingston, Jamaica, you see me, something is always going on, you know. All the time.
That big things, isn't it?
Right now, I'm gonna try find
structurally behind there.
the little obstacle course them in the road, you know? Yeah, fine, none of them. So I'll be an engineer now?
See the man.
In time need to get my house bills.
Yeah man,
you could.
Yeah, see me, I hate that. Yeah, we just reached us right now the stadium. You see me reach at Old Trafford. Yeah, what did I show my name? Yeah. Oh. Just reached at the stadium, you see me? Yeah, we're to drop some ball right now, you see it? I make the son go and play down.
Yeah, exactly.
Now which film I go put up on now, you see me? I say, like, guys, last week them get the nigga them some jersey. What the jersey is?
Never gone, brother. No, me see man Friday and man I tell me same guy.
The babe them say, what? It's all good with dicks or something like that. But I had my Nike jersey, so I was good.
You talk about
the dicks jersey them. I never wear that, they come with my Nike jersey. But I don't have it today, so hopefully I don't have to wear that. Just in case you now wonder where the Liberty Park. See it? Boom. That's over there, see me? It's kind of good to Jamaica build them things, you see me, so people can go out and roll some ball. For everybody who kind of wondering, is if you're traveling here, you want to play some ball, it's like 5 bills per person. Is me grab a team, 2 fields, and also have another place called Football Factory.
Yeah, that come like on the first sit out here, do you know wear shots with that. So the fabric's off now, panda.
Oh. So I messed up part low-key trying to find a spot where I can put the camera without to get knocked off. That's fair. But I have the GoPro still. I think it will probably have like 40%. So I think I can risk the GoPro because it can take a lick, isn't it? That's what GoPro is meant for. But the quality now is so good. So I think I go like tripod it right on the goal post at the top, but at the lower angle part, somewhere right there at the back. So that way any shot I come in, I go lick up the top bar. More than likely. But you see me? That may I go to still. Hopefully the quality can decent when I can see. But I GoPro still. Just there, still I wait for the game to start. It's supposed to be a 10:30 game. Now at 10:42. Nigga got work at 5 o'clock. But you see me, yeah, another thing I wanted today, because today, like I have the Fitbit and I'm supposed to be doing like 10,000 steps every single day. Big man thing per average, I'm like at 3,000, because like, I sit down for the whole day. But hopefully today when I go on the field, I can probably get close to maybe 8 grand steps. So I guess I'll go on to that. And I don't know, those of you who probably play football, you know, the one biggest problem whenever you play a scrimmage game, you can never find a keeper. Nobody willing to commit to be a keeper. Like every game I commit to be like to be in a defense, because I'm a team player still. I'm really busy about really scoring goal. Although I can score a goal still, but like, you see me. But we don't have a keeper, so no, go on. Someone now come for offering right now. Yeah. Offering. Jado. Yeah, man. 5 days, I'm telling you.
Big guy,
Respect, me. So everybody have to pay 5 bills. I think we pay 5 or 7 aside. So that's the deal right now. Yeah, you know, I realize the game of football, or just sports in general, kind of highlight the person you be. Like sometimes I'm up on the field, I'm very low key. I'm not like aggressive player. Like, yo, give me ball, give me ball. And I kind of realize like when I play that way there, kind of mess with my game, you see me? So like I realized like last week or so, anytime I start be more aggressive, work out way better for me. Getting a life sometimes you need to be a little bit aggressive though. They can come off like social media, the mind flash.
I sit open there.
Oh, this guy is so intelligent. Like I saw the numbers, but I thought he was playing. I call it mind sweep.
No doubt.
Isn't this guy interested? I'm not playing Sudoku. I don't know if I think about it. I'm reminiscing of it.
I'm trying to keep my brain active because I'm bored right now.
Well, FYI, that's a game my mom plays. So we just step on the stadium field, you see me I say? Right now we're at Old Trafford. This is what nobody else has. Old Trafford with my fans them are share. See them? Is it? Oh my gosh. Give me a one touch off for a little now. Touch off for a little. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm going to set up that camera real quick. You see me? So you guys can take a quick look on the game if the battery not dead. So I talk about, see, because it's elevated, I put the camera back here, so possibility of it getting back here, I don't know. You guys get the deal. So this I set up really quick, but I don't even know if it'll catch an angle, but whatever. Tune in now.
I need to keep that could have scored now.
No, miss. Somewhere not good.
Yo, drop! Just drop!
Oh, what's Moji? What's that? What's it?
Right shoulder.
What's Moji?
Yo, some life for Buggy. Some life. Life for the scene. Yeah.
Good tackle.
Come here, the diamond.
Salman, you take
So tell me how you feel about that match, Rio. It was a really tough match for us. You know, I didn't have footage in the back, so the partnership was really messed up, but we lost, what was it, 6-2 in the first game, and then we came back and we won the next game 2-0, but yeah, so right now we're heading up to UTech to drop off and and then pretty much is the end of the vlog. You see me? Guys, remember these streets for this shit schedule. Remember these three things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.
All I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beach, but I stay.